We're here with Kim Davis from Sarasota Magazine, Biz 941. We're watching the polo match, and we are competing in the chocolate and dessert Valentine's Day competition. So, Kim, how do you prepare for this?
Well, we started weeks in advance, choosing decor, creating desserts, recipes, and then, of course, decorating our custom cups that we made for our guests and judges today.
So now I'm going to find out if these float. Oh, they almost do. They're not really. Oh, well. We'll put them in there anyway.
Francisco Llosa.
And these are, we're going to try these out today. These are chocolate shot glasses.
And we're going to put cordials and champagne in here and eat the shot glass and see what happens.
So last year you were reigning champion of the design category.
Decorated.
Right.
And they told me I could have won Best Chocolate Martini too, but I can't win more than one category.
Well, I think she should win the best chocolate martini today because I tasted it and wow, it's better than any dessert that anyone else is going to serve. So you might as well drink your dessert.
There you go.
So, okay. Well, good luck to you and Sarasota Magazine.